Well, it's not exactly the most beautiful Veterans Day, but despite that, a lot of people came out to the Huntsville Parade. But we want to check in with Rob right now.
Yeah, cool. And rain coming.
Yeah, and thankfully, getting that parade in here this morning rather than this afternoon, because by, let's say, lunchtime, we're already going to be seeing that rain moving into the Huntsville area. Decatur, rain is knocking on the door. It's just off to the west right now. That, of course, is our Decatur radar, part of the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. And we're starting to see those south and southwesterly winds picking up ahead of that cold front. Southwest winds sustained at 14 miles per hour. We could see some gusts closer to 30 miles per hour here in the next hour or two. 66 degrees in Decatur. It's about as warm as we're going to get for the rest of today. Much cooler once that rain passes over. So here's what we're tracking right now on the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. You can see that line of rain. Thankfully, not much in the way of lightning right now, but there is that chance for some embedded thunderstorms. And this is moving pretty quickly to the east-northeast at about 35 miles per hour. So we'll zoom in a little bit closer. You'll notice Moulton, Town Creek, Rogersville, Athens, and Decatur. Again, the rain just off to the west right now, but right over top of Russellville, Town Creek, and Rogersville. You're going to have some poor visibility if you're driving through that. So take it slow, maybe even wait for that to pass. And if we put a track on this, again, this is moving at about 35 miles per hour. It's going to be moving into the Reynolds area closer to about 1140, Trinity at 1145, and for Decatur just before noon, 1155 here this morning. And again, bringing the heavy rain and some gusty winds. By far the best rain chances occurring for most of North Alabama here in the early to mid-afternoon hours. You notice how quickly it drops off heading into the late afternoon hours and into this evening. Basically dry conditions by 9 and 10 o'clock tonight. How about those winds? And again, these are winds out ahead of the cold front. So regardless of thunderstorms, it's going to be breezy and gusty through the rest of this afternoon. Highest gusts coming along the leading edge of that line and then dropping off to around 20 to 25 miles per hour. And then some lighter winds heading into the overnight hours and into your Friday morning. Over the next 3 days, look at the drop in temperatures. Remember, yesterday and pretty much the entire work week so far, we've been in the mid-70s. By tomorrow, we're still in the mid-60s for afternoon highs. And then a reinforcing cold front moves in by Friday night into Saturday. Look at that, 51 degrees for a high on Saturday with mostly sunny skies. So here's a look at future radar. This is 1 o'clock here this afternoon. Kind of a broken line of showers with a few embedded thunderstorms. The concern for today, you'll notice once we reach about 2, 3 o'clock, we start to see that line kind of re-intensify closer to Gunnersville and Scottsboro. So if we're going to have some stronger thunderstorms, this is where it would occur. East of I-65, closer to Jackson, Marshall, and DeKalb counties. So need to keep close on that. Continues to quickly race to the east, bringing those gusty winds right through Fort Payne around 5, 6 o'clock, and then it's east into Georgia, and then we're done. Tomorrow, we're staying mostly dry, but into the evening hours, we actually have a reinforcing cold front coming in for your Friday evening. Maybe a stray shower or sprinkle. That's it. Friday night football games should be fine as we head through the playoffs. There's a look at the rainfall forecast. This goes all the way through tonight. Expect anywhere from about 1/4 to 1/2 inch with isolated higher totals. You'll notice once you get into the blues, that's closer to about 1/2 inch of rain. So look at your 7-day forecast. Again, look at the drop in temperatures. 51 for a high on Saturday, and then we're back to a freeze and frost concern by Sunday morning, going with a low of 33 for Sunday morning. But we are dry through the next 7 days. You'll notice back up to 60 by Tuesday, 63 for a high by next Wednesday.
All right, thank you so much, Rob.